Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are going to record a testimonial interview video with one of our client friends. Let's see if they are at home. Okay, welcome everybody. I'm sitting next to Bernard, which became a good friend and customer from us. It's safe to say that you became a friend of us, I guess?
Yeah, David, it's like a part of the family now. It's a very good friend.
Thank you, thank you. Can you give me a short introduction, or actually the watchers, a short introduction about yourself, where you're coming from, what you do?
From New York, and we always wanted to get a property in Turkey, so we started looking around Turkey and we fell in love with Çeşme. So now with able to work remotely, it makes a lot of sense to be able to spend more time in a beautiful place like Çeşme.
Okay, Bernard, and can you explain us why you chose for Çeşme? So why this region?
We visited few places in Turkey. We went to Bodrum, we went to Antalya. Çeşme, it's a little bit smaller, a little bit quieter. It's a very nice place for families, and also it's very beautiful. The sea, it's crystal clear. And the real estate, it's really new, well built, and it's a really very nice place.
Thank you. Obviously, I think the same. Can you also tell us why you selected this particular property, Bernard?
This property, it's a new construction. It's a little bit on the top of a hill, and behind is a small park as a forest, so there will be no other construction there. And the views from the balcony is really, really amazing. The sea, and it's unbelievably located.
Yeah.
The location is perfect.
Okay, another question. Bernard, did you have any fears about buying a property in Turkey?
Every time you go to a foreign country, you're always concerned. So we did check on the internet, and Izmir is one of the safest places in Turkey. Çeşme is even more safer. It's probably the safest place in Turkey, so we felt very, very comfortable. And now being here for like our first few weeks, we feel very safe. It's an amazing place.
And what made you choose Aegean locations over other real estate agencies in this area?
So what we did is we searched for a real estate agent on Google. That's how we started. And then we watched some of the videos on YouTube, and we felt comfortable. And then when first time we came to Turkey in March, we met with David and with you, and it was we felt very comfortable. The agency gives you a lot of information. It's very well prepared, well educated, very informative. So we felt really, really very comfortable. You gave us all the answers to all the questions we have, so that made our decision much easier. And we actually feel very strongly now and ready to recommend it to anyone who needs an agency.
Thank you very much, Bernard. And how did we support you during the purchase process?
So the very interesting thing about you and the agency is it's a hand-holding process where everything is very well organized. David is always available, and the agency is also available. Any questions you have, it's very informative, it's organized, everything is on paper, what's happening next. So this way we knew what to expect, and we were very well informed on the expectations, so everything was very well organized.
Okay, and Bernard, can you tell us something about the property purchase procedures in Turkey in comparison with the United States? It works totally different in the United States.
That's correct. In the US, when you buy a property, obviously everything goes through the real estate agent, the lawyer, and the escrow accounts. So everything is settled quickly. Here in Turkey, escrow was not available. So on the date of closing, you have to do all the transfers, but once you're prepared, it was very smooth transaction.
And what do you think about Çeşme so far? What are your experiences, Bernard?
It's been a really very nice experience. Obviously, we visited some towns around Çeşme. We went to Aluchatı, we went to Urla. Urla, by the way, has one of the best wines in Turkey. Restaurants have been fantastic. Seafood is amazing. People are very friendly, and it's been really excellent experience so far.
I think it's safe to say that Çeşme is higher class in comparison with other areas in Turkey.
Yeah,
if you compare
correct.
it with Alanya or those areas.
Yes, it's people and a lot of Turkish people who live abroad They own property here as well, so
Yeah.
you can see a lot of people from Europe, US, and other places as well.
Okay, Bernard, thank you very much for your time. We wish you many more unforgettable moments in your beautiful villa. We'll have much more nice dinners and gatherings together, Bernard.
No, we really appreciate what you, how you helped us and what you did for us. We will never forget it, and obviously we'll be, friends forever. Thank you.
Thank you, Bernard.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for watching, everybody. The coming days we will also share some other testimonial videos from other friends and clients. And if you have any questions regarding real estate, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.